If you've been seeing the itch.io error failed to initialize graphics, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This error usually means the game is having trouble starting the graphics system on your PC, and that can happen for a few different reasons, including compatibility issues, missing support, corrupted files, or a temporary system glitch. The good news is that there are several simple things you can try before assuming the game is completely broken. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fix guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart your PC. This may sound basic, but it fixes a surprising number of graphics-related issues by clearing temporary errors, refreshing system processes, and resetting anything that may have gotten stuck in the background. Once your computer is back on, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is whether your PC actually supports the game requirements. Some games on itch.io need a minimum level of graphics support, and if your hardware is too old or your drivers are out of date, the game may fail to initialize graphics right away. Take a moment to compare your system specs with the game's requirements and make sure your graphics card, operating system, and memory meet the minimum needed to run it properly. Another thing you can try is running the game in Compatibility Mode. If the game was made for an older version of Windows, compatibility settings can help it behave more like it was designed to. To do this, right-click the game file, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and try selecting an older Windows version. Then apply the changes and launch the game again. This is often helpful when a game doesn't play nicely with the latest system settings. You should also try running the game as an administrator. Sometimes the game needs extra permission to access the files or graphics resources it needs to start correctly. Just right-click the game, choose Run as Administrator, and see if that makes a difference. If the issue was caused by permissions, this can instantly solve it. If the game does open, even briefly, go into the settings and lower the in-game graphics options, reduce the resolution, turn down effects, and disable any advanced graphics features if possible. That can help the game start more reliably on systems that are struggling with the default settings. Even if the game is opening to an error now, this is worth trying after you get it to launch once. If none of that works, the final fix is to re-download the game from itch.io. Sometimes the download itself is incomplete or the files become corrupted, and that can definitely trigger a graphics initialization error. Go back to the game's itch.io page, download a fresh copy, and install or extract it again. This ensures you're working with clean files instead of a broken install. So to recap, if you're getting the itch.io error failed to initialize graphics, restart your PC first, check that your system supports the game, try Compatibility Mode, run the game as administrator, lower the graphics settings if the game opens, and re-download the game from itch.io if needed. One of these fixes usually gets the game working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple fixes for gaming errors and PC issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.